Hello, in this video we shall be talking about party systems. Now, party systems is defined as a political arrangement by which a number of political parties are constitutionally allowed to operate in a state. Now, there are three types of party systems. You have the one-party system, you have the two-party system, and you have the three-party system. Let's begin with the one-party system. In a one-party system, only one political party is allowed to operate constitutionally and legally. There is no opposition. That party is the ruling party, and any other party that is contesting is regarded as unconstitutional and treason. Now, here are some merits of one-party system. National integration. Since there is no rivalry, the opinions and views of the citizens are not divided. All their support goes out to candidates of one party. There is political stability. There is strong leadership because these parties are running unopposed. And this kind of party system is suitable for traditional African democracy. And lastly, it eliminates unhealthy rivalry. Let's talk about the demerits of a one-party system. 1. It's undemocratic. 2. It leads to oppression. 3. It encourages dictatorship. 4. It neglects public opinion. And 5. It can lead to coup, because these are the only ways this kind of governments can be changed by a revolution. Next, we talk about two-party system. Now, in two-party system, two political parties are legally and constitutionally allowed to operate. Here, there is rivalry, and to be the party in charge, you have to contest to the other party. These elections have to be held. Now, let's consider some merits of a two-party system. 1. Here, the electorates have more options because it's not just one party, so they have options of whom they want. 2. It is more democratic. 3. It safeguards the rights of humans. 4. A dual party system or a two-party system enables a wider political education and political participation. And 5. It allows for smooth change of government. There doesn't have to be a coup because the electorates have choices of whom they can decide with when they are not satisfied with who is in government. Let's consider some demerits or disadvantages of a two-party system. 1. It is expensive to run. 2. It can lead to political instability. 3. It leads to election rigging. Next, we'll talk about a multi-party system. Now, a multi-party system is a system whereby more than one or two parties are allowed to run or can run. So any amount of parties, in as much as possible, can take part in trying to form a government. Now, the merits and the demerits of a multi-party system are the same as the merits and demerits of a dual or two-party system. That's it for political parties and party system. In our next video, we'll be taking questions from SSC and UTM.